back with another video. I hope you guys are excited to see my face again. Today I'm going to talk about the festivals in Germany that you cannot miss, and if you don't know about these festivals, get to know them and add it to your list that you want to visit at least once in your lifetime, because these festivals are amazing. Okay, these are not like festivals. These are like the fest, the celebration, the carnival kind of festivals. Let's get started. So number one is the Oktoberfest. Now you have obviously heard of it. If you have not, you have at least seen it on our stories. Because me personally, I'm really excited to go to this festival, because if you look at the pictures, I will put the pictures here, or maybe here. People dress up for this festival. The beer enthusiasts from all around the world come to this festival. It's an annual festival that happens in Munich, and it's the largest folk festival in the world. It's obviously famous because of its beer festival kind of a thing, but there are also events and performances that take place in this festival. It's just very exciting to see something of this kind can actually happen. So definitely check this out and definitely put it on your list because it's worth it. If you're planning your vacation to Germany, definitely plan around these months that these festivals happen. Because like if you're going and if there's a chance that you can go around these festival dates, then you're gonna be super lucky. The next one is the Berlin Film Festival. Now this is a super famous festival, I know, and it's like for like high profile people and all of this, but this is one film festival that is open for public. So what they do is they kind of set a price for like public to see and to buy tickets, and the price is kind of the same price that you will see in the theater and stuff. So this is the festival that is open to public as well. So you will get a chance to meet your favorite celebrities. Berlin Film Festival is our number 2. So the next one is for all of you book lovers. It's the Frankfurt Book Fair, which is the oldest book festival fair kind of a thing. There are international publishers who come to this festival, and it's the oldest one, so you can expect a lot of great people there. And it's held in October, so if you're someone who's looking forward to it, definitely check out the dates of these festivals, because these are annual festivals. They are held every year, but there are particular dates on which they are held, so check that out. The next one is a super cool one. It's the Reeperbahn. I will put it here somewhere so you can know the pronunciation. Held in Hamburg, which is a music festival. There are around 800 concerts that go around only in 4 days. So you can imagine how cool it's going to be. Also, there are a lot of emerging artists, world famous artists who come to this music festival. So it's going to be a really cool one. There are so many things that we don't know about, for example, these festivals. Like for starter, I kind of knew about them, but not in depth. Like about this festival, like 800 concerts in 4 days, it's a pretty cool thing to do. So if you ever get a chance to kind of explore such thing, or for the fact that I'm telling you all of these things, you can add them to your bucket list, you can add them to your, to go places at least once in lifetime to get this kind of experience. So I hope you do that. And now Germans are known for their love for alcohol, beer, and beer is kind of really famous. But they also have the world's largest wine festival, which is Rustmarkt Juchheimer. Now this is very large wine festivals. People around the world come to this festival. Like I know Rust in Germany means sausage, but that's the name of the market, Rustmarkt. It's a very ancient festival that goes on in Germany. So Germans love their beer as well as their wine. Next one is the Hafengeburtstag, Hamburg, which is like a birthday of Hamburg. People in Hamburg celebrate a festival thing in the first week of May to like celebrate Hamburg. On this day, a lot of fireworks, a lot of events, a lot of concert and music fair and all of that goes on in Hamburg. It's one of a kind of a sight. So if you're by chance you are in Hamburg, you should definitely wait to see this. This brings me to the last festival, which is not exactly a festival but a Christmas market. Now this is again a very great sight to watch, because it's going to be very magical, it's going to be very pretty, it's going to be like you're in a movie. If you want to see that, if you want to see how the Christmas market is in Germany, definitely check out our Instagram. You gotta put it here, but to get a better view of it, definitely check out it on Instagram. So these were the festivals that we think you should definitely. So now that I told you about all of these festivals, I'm sure that you're kind of curious to know what it's going to be like to be there during these festivals, because I am very excited. So I don't know about you, but I am. If you have been to any of these, that's really cool. We would love to know. Comment down below. Definitely tell us your experience. We are more than excited to know about it. So I know obviously nobody can travel right now. It's very sad. But you can always look at the pictures, the videos, vlogs, all of that. So that's kind of happy. Let's focus on happy. For now at least. We are sharing the information that we have related to these countries. So keep watching. Bye.